Hello guys, welcome once again to today's lesson. We are going to look at rules of transformation for equations. This means that we are looking at basic rules of equality that are used to get equivalent equation when given an equation. We are going to look at two properties of equality, which is the addition property of equality and the subtraction property of equality. With the addition property of equality, it states when we add the same number to both sides of an equation, then the two sides remain equal. Mathematically, it is represented as if A is equal to B, then A plus C is equal to B plus C, meaning if the same value is added to both sides of an equation, the resulting equation must remain equal, or the equality should still be true. Let's find out or verify with an example. Here we have 2 plus 3 equals to 5. If we add a number to both sides, say 7, the equation will still be true. Let's verify. So 2 plus 3 is equal to 5. And I'm going to add 7 to both sides of the equation. So 2 plus 3 plus 7 and 5 plus 7. So we are going to work the two sides and find out whether our equality will still hold. So with the left hand side, I have 2 plus 3 plus 7 giving me 12. And on the right hand side, I have 5 plus 7 equals to 12, which says that the left hand side is also equal to the right hand side when the same value, say 7, was added to both sides of the equation. Let's look at the property of subtraction of equality. It also states when we subtract the same number from both sides of an equation, then the two sides remain equal. If A is equal to B, then A minus C should be equal to B minus C. Let's take an example. So I have 12 plus 8 equals to 20. I am going to take away or subtract the same value from both sides of the equation. So I have 12 plus 8. I'm subtracting, let's say, 5 from the left hand side, and do the same for the right hand side as well, minus 5. So let's find out. The left side, we have 12 plus 8 minus 5, which is giving me 15. And the right hand side, is 20 minus 5, also giving me 15, meaning our equality holds. If the same value is subtracted from both sides of an equation, the equivalent equation must still remain the same. Let us apply that same knowledge in solving the equation over here. We are being asked to find S. So let's take the first one, which is A, which is S minus 4 equals to 12. Find X. Our main aim is to look for the value of X, which we don't know. So we are going to apply the addition property or the subtraction property to find out what S is. So if I have S minus 4 equals to 12 and we are looking for S, what I need to do is to make sure that S must stand alone at the left hand side of the equation. And for me to do that, I need to apply the addition property of equality to both sides of the equation. So I have X minus 4. What am I going to do to make S stand alone or do away with negative 4? Then I am going to add 4 here. Whatever you did to the right hand side, you do the same to the left hand side according to the addition property of equality. So this is 12 plus 4. So S minus 4 plus 4, we've eliminated it, that's 0. So therefore 12 plus 4 is 16, hence X is 16. Let us verify to see if S is truly equal to 16. So I am going to substitute 16 in this equation. So if X is equal to 16, so 16 minus 4 should be equal to 12. So 16 minus 12 is actually 12, which is equal to 12. Hence, x is truly 16. Let's also work for b, which says s plus 4 is equal to 40. As I said earlier on, our aim is to find s. So whatever we do, we want to eliminate any number here, hence s can stand alone. So for us to do this, we need to apply the subtraction property of equality, which says that when you subtract the same value from a left hand side and you do same for the right hand side, the equations still remain equal. So we have s plus 4. What am I to do to make this s stand alone? I'm going to take this 4 out of the left hand side and do the same for the right hand side. Doing so, I'm able to do away with the numbers, hence leaving s alone, which is equal to 36, because positive 4 minus 4 is going to give me 0, hence s is equal to 36. For us to verify, we substitute 36 into the equation. So instead of s plus 4, is going to be 36 plus 4, which is equal to 40. True, 36 plus 4 is 40. So the equality holds, or the equality